the locations.
But why are you coming to kill a business that is right here?
Killing.
No, you're killing the business that is here.
He didn't tell me there's a here.
But I am telling you.
He said he don't have a shop here. Nothing here, he says so.
Who is the guy? Give the name.
This one.
Give the name.
I don't have his name. There's not need to take a camera.
No,
for this one.
no, there isn't it. Listen here.
It is not need to take a camera here.
You cannot tell me. You must tell me in your country, not here. This is South
What are you
Africa.
supposed to tell us?
This is South Africa. In your
You're
country,
supposed
you
to
can
listen here. You're supposed to listen here.
Man doesn't have a camera.
And man, so you will never go back to Ethiopia.
So is it.
You're not gonna open a spaza shop. You are running from town now. You are coming here.
Yeah, I need another one.
Another one.
Where is that?
If you want the shop, I have got to say.
You have another one in town.
Umlisa oyiforena wase-Ethiopia utholakala endaweni esemakhaya elungiselela ukuzovula isitolo. Njengoba ubona ke mbukeli laba abantu base-South Africa bazama ukumxosha bemvimpi ukuthi angavula isitolo, kodwa yena uyagoloza ubatshela ukuthi la e-South Africa naye i-country yakhe yena akayindawo. Okunye mbukeli ukuthi abantu base-South Africa babuye behleke nabo labantu laba. Njengoba ubona la evidweni ukuthi baphinde behleke naye, yikho lo Mlisa lona engabathathi serious futhi engakaze ahambe. Sawubona mbukeli website, ukuthi uma uqala ungena kule channel uchofa subscribe button like ivideo. Mbukeli zibukele nansi ivideo.
All right, my friend. Open it. This is Bungwa. Eh?
It's me. I came from
No. Which country are you from? Ethiopia. What are you doing here?
I'm just kidding.
Open shop.
Yeah.
Awuvanga ispaza shop ziyavalwa zabantu bokufika when we are still opening.
The guy is calling me to open it.
Who's the guy?
The owner.
Who's the owner?
The guy.
The guy.
Yeah.
Doesn't have a name.
I don't know his name. I just have his number.
So you just know the number and you're coming here. Did you go to the chief to report yourself that you are here?
No, he just invited me to open here.
When you get a number, you can't tell
Even
me.
people from
I
this
came
village.
with someone with the driver from here.
From where?
From here.
Okay, listen here. You're not gonna open a spaza shop here.
Yeah, I just stopped it already.
Yeah, stop.
Yeah.
You're not gonna open a spaza shop. You are running from town now. You are coming here.
Yeah, I need another one.
Another one.
Where is that?
If you want the shop, I have got to say.
You have another one in town.
Yeah, we are running in town.
Yeah, right
Where?
in town.
What is the name of the business?
Where in town?
Huh?
Where in town?
That container in town.
Which container?
You know that container business is reserved for locals, not for
already
you.
we live most.
Sorry?
We do already most. We live.
We leave the town. You
Yeah.
come to the
To
locations.
yeah.
But why are you coming to kill a business that is right here?
Killing.
No, you're killing the business that is
He
here.
didn't tell me there's a here.
But I am telling you.
He said he don't have a shop here. Nothing here, he says so.
Who is the guy? Give the name.
This one.
Give the
I
name.
don't have his name.
Allah.
But you know his number.
Yeah.
And you have a right, you come here and do
He
the
said
business.
in Cape Town, he said I live the shop. If you want, I have a shop all one. You can renovate.
He just told you. He just told you.
There is a Mabuta.
Mabuta?
Mabuta, the driver. I came with him.
Who's Mabuta?
Mabuta.
Who's Maputa?
You will meet him in town.
At Mapele. At Mapele. Next to Rhino.
Mabuta. He is driving.
Okay, but it's okay. Let me make this
There's
straight.
not need to take a camera.
No,
for this one.
no, there isn't it. Listen here. I'm not gonna open
It is
here.
not need to take a camera here.
You cannot tell me. You must tell me in your country, not here. This is South
What are you
Africa.
supposed to tell us?
This is South Africa. In your
You're
country, you
supposed to
can
listen here. You're supposed to listen
Let-
here.
Man doesn't have a camera.
a man doesn't have a country. So when even here in your country, oh, when you're not gonna open here, I am telling you.
I just stop it now.
Yeah.
This is Africa. This is my land. This is.
Your land.
Your land.
From
In
Ethiopia.
Bumelwana, you have land in Bumelwana.
No matter wherever. This is Africa.
So you can open anywhere you want.
No. listen to me.
We're gonna even close the container in town.
Go and close it, no problem.
Yeah.
It is closed.
It's closed.
So you are happy for that?
That's good. You must go back to Ethiopia with your attitude. With your attitude,
I cannot.
you cannot go back. Why?
I'm working here. I came to
You
make business.
make business.
You can go to Ethiopia to work.
Why?
So you come here.
So why are you running away from your country?
I'm not running.
But
I'm choosing to make business here in South Africa. Even I want other countries.
But you know that according to the immigration law and the refugee laws, you must have minimum investment of 5 million. Do you know that?
I know it.
But
How much did you bring when I here to come and invest?
I just came myself.
so you know that you have no right to open the spaza shop, but you open it.
I do already.
Do you have a right to open the spaza shop?
I do have, yeah.
Who says you have
You
a
know,
right?
in Ethiopia, my brother,
Yeah.
there are laws in Ethiopia. Even here, there are laws. That's the laws that we are enforcing now. We are telling you now, you're not going to open the business here.
I already stopped this one.
Thank you.
So, but you don't need to take a camera.
No, I can do whatever. You must tell Ethiopians not to take pictures.
This is my country.
Which
Africa. This is not Asia. This is not America.
So-
So you guys, you just only here, just only your country, you think.
So this one is your country.
I just like that, yeah. I'm thinking. Like,
So
but
you,
guys
so
are
you,
telling
so
us-
you will never go back to Ethiopia.
So,
So now you're gonna move from this village now to another village.
no, I don't go because you guys are following me. I don't open anymore.
All right. Now how are you gonna survive now?
I think we are playing our life now. Yeah.
Huh?
We are playing with our life now. You guys are following us. No problem. I stop this.
So what are you gonna do now? How are you gonna survive if you don't want to go back home?
I do have a business.
Uh,
I just want to open here a branch.
A branch.
Yeah.
You open branch.
Yes. I do have other business.
but here, my brother, you must close this one.
I do.
Okay.
Even that in town must close.
No, don't worry.
It is closed already.
That one is closed. It was a container. That one is closed.
Yeah.
Even this one that you have, also we're gonna close it.
How?
No Ethiopian will run this spaza shop, not in Gum. I am not asking you, I am telling you. All these things that we are saying, my brother, you must say it in Ethiopia, not here. And this is not your land, I am telling you. This is not your land. This is Gum.
Wherever you post, this is my land, this is my country, this is Africa.
This is your country.
Yeah.
Okay,
Because
thank you.
you guys, even you don't know how to go to Joburg, how to go to Malawi, how to go to Zimbabwe. That's why you are forcing to chase other people. You see, if someone is living from Eastern Cape to Joburg, you know how to leave other countries. Some people. You guys just only live in Kumbu.
It's
You are
okay,
just
it's
crying
okay.
for Kumbu.
The biggest town I have and the biggest town I know.
You
is
don't
Gum.
know.
That is my town.
That's
This
why
is my
you are
town.
going, even-
So
even
I
you
cannot
don't
share
know
my
how to
town. I cannot share my town with you. That's a problem.
Do you have the passport to be?
I do. I do have everything.
Do you know when you open a spaza shop?
Yeah. Since when people are living here with the spaza shop, you people are crying in 2026 for.
So we're
Why you
supposed.
sleep those all days?
No, we're not sleeping.
Even
We're not sleeping.
when the people is starting here coming to be foreigner.
So are
How
you
long
not
that?
are you not a foreigner?
Even you before.
Are you not
go-
a foreigner?
I'm you. Yes, I am.
You are a foreigner.
Yes.
So now here.
But
in-
don't cry in Africa. You are same blood, same blood.
I'm not saying black. I'm
We
not
are.
saying no, 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 no,
We
no,
are.
no, no,
We are not.
no, 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 no.
That's
You
why
see,
you
if you
don't
see me in Ethiopia, you must taste me in Ethiopia.
We cannot.
No, you
We
must.
cannot. Even the
But
freedom is coming from
unfortunately,
Ethiopia.
but unfortunately,
Yes, your freedom is coming from Ethiopia.
so,
I'm telling you.
even if you see me in Ethiopia, then you must chase me away.
Yeah,
But I
Mandela
will
is
never.
living in Ethiopia.
Mandela.
He never opened
Yes,
the
Tonga.
sponsor shop.
Mandela.
Even he has a passport from
Mandela doesn't
Ethiopia.
open the spaza shop in Ethiopia.
But your freedom is coming from Mandela.
Freedom is coming from
The freedom
Ethiopia.
is coming from yes. Even you don't
So
need to
my
ask me.
Okay, no, it's fine, my brother.
can
ne?
post it.
Pack your things. Pack your things.
I
We are
don't have
leaving
a
now.
here team.
Nah.
I just came today
All right. Where is the owner of this house?
in Cape Town.
You know him.
Yeah,
Oh, he's the one who called you.
yeah.
He never even introduced you to the chief.
No, he didn't.
He didn't introduce you to the community.
He didn't.
You see, your safety is compromised. and our safety as well as communities compromised.
You see, when I
Because-
go to South
because-
Africa, you see, no problem for safety. Yabon. When you go somewhere, you're gonna take yourself risk. Yabon.
So you
You see the problem. Even you don't know how to leave other town.
So my friend, you don't care
You are
about
talking now for safety. If you beat me, if you kill me, you see,
no one is gonna kill you.
you see,
No one is gonna kill you. The only thing that will make sure that you don't open a business.
that's no matter.
All right, thank
No
you.
matter. You stop me.
No one can verify your passport, your things here. You are right to be here. Just enter and do the business.
You can go any country if you want to.
But no, you can go any country, but not in Gumbu now. 2026 is the end
You see,
of your freedom.
See, you people
Thank
now,
you.
you don't know how to live.